morning, everyone. I'm Ayer.
And I'm Briaja. Welcome to the final Wolf TV of the year. Here's the news for Friday, May 9th, 2025.
Seniors, this Monday is your last chance to make lifetime memories with your friends here at Westy. Come to the Senior Sunset from 7 to 10 p.m. in the Wolves Park Memorial Stadium. Enjoy the sunset, watch a movie that will be kept a secret until the event, and take in a final quiet moment with your friends.
That's right, seniors. This is the last event of your final year of high school here at Westy. Make as many lasting memories as possible so you can remember it as best. Congratulations, class of 2025.
Wolves, Wednesday, May 14th is the last day for our seniors, and the Moving On Up assembly will happen from 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the Wolves Den Gym. Don't miss out on this, as everyone will have a chance to move on to their new class selection for next school year. We'll see you there.
Bro, that was my breakfast.
Bro, do you want to be eating cereal bars when you're 30?
I don't know how to cook.
You gotta join Culinary Arts with Mr. Gilwood.
Taking culinary arts isn't just about learning how to cook. It's about understanding food, how it's prepared, how it affects your body, and how it brings people together.
The best part about culinary for me would probably be the end product, making the food, finishing the food, and seeing if I succeeded, if everything was worth it.
You'll learn real skills that you can use every day, from knife techniques to nutrition, baking, and so much more.
I don't really think there's a hard part in culinary. I think everything's very easy tasked and very fun to do.
I guess as a senior in this class, my favorite part about culinary right now are like the people at my table, like the goofy little sophomores and freshmen. Like they always make it worth it every time I come in here. We always just have fun and we make some food, so.
I'm for sure joining culinary.
Then on Thursday, May 15th, the Westies will happen from 6 to 9 p.m. in the Joanna Ramsey Theater. We will present all the awards for our amazing athletes from this year. Get dressed in your freshest fit and come out to celebrate our incredible Wolves.
Seniors, on Tuesday, May 20th, you have graduation practice from 9 to 11 a.m. in the Wolves Den Gym. This is a mandatory attendance event, so you know exactly when and where you should be for your big day. Do not miss this day, seniors.
Hi, I'm Hannah Judson. I'm the choir director at Westminster High School. And one of the reasons why you should join choir is because it's fun. Because you get to be around people who have the same passion for singing that you do. It's fun to make new friends and be around a community of people who are kind and caring, and you get to become more confident and you get to build your skills. If you are interested in singing and you just want to try it out and have a good time, there is absolutely a place for you. Music is important because it's something you love your whole life. Whether you do it professionally, you're singing in the car. You are hanging out with your friends at karaoke, or you're with your family in the holidays listening to music. It's everywhere, and you get to be a part of a place where you get to make that music with other people who love it just as much as you do. So if you want to hang out, do something important and cool and fun, you should be here with us. Come sing with us.
Graduation will take place at the CU Boulder Event Center from 6 to 8 p.m. on Thursday, May 22nd. Seniors, be sure you get there early so family and friends can get the best view of you walking across the stage to receive your diploma. Invite all of your friends and family because tickets are free. Get there early as seating is first come, first served. We're so proud of you, class of 2025.
The last day of school is Friday, May 23rd, and we are as excited as all of you. This is the last chance to see some of your friends and teachers before summer break starts. Make as many memories as you can because this will be the last chance to experience your grade. So make the most of it, Wolves. Now let's check in with Angel for the final Westy Sports Report of the year.
Thanks, Ayer. Hi everyone, I'm Angel, and this is the Westy Sports Report. Today, the track and field team is competing in the St. Vrain Invitational in Longmont. The action begins at 9:30, and we know you will crush it, Wolves. And on Monday, the varsity baseball team hits the road to play against Pomona. Play great, boys. That's it for Westy Sports this year. Thanks for watching. Now let's see what we have for your final Westy Book of the Week. Samantha?
Hello everyone, I'm Samantha with the final Westy Book of the Week of the year. Counseling Coordinator Mrs. Rachel Elk recommends The Great Alone by Kristen Hanna for this week's book. It tells the story of 13-year-old Lenny and her family's move to Alaska after her father comes home from the Vietnam War. Lenny and her family must learn to survive while her father's mental health deteriorates. We want to give a trigger warning for domestic violence. But this is a beautiful story about resilience, bravery, and what we as humans are capable of. If this amazing story sounds interesting to you, check it out from the Westy Library today. We also want to remind everyone who has books check out to make sure they are returned before the end of the school year. Have a great summer, Wolves.
We have apprehended a dangerous experiment. Where is he?
He escaped.
He's trying to find the police cruisers.
He took the red one.
Hello again, Wolves. This week's Film Friday feature is the long-awaited live-action remake of Disney's Lilo and Stitch.
Shooting star! I wish for a friend. Like a best friend.
What the hell?
He's so cute and fluffy.
He is your responsibility. Got it.
We promise.
Yeah.
Set in beautiful Hawaii, this heartwarming tale follows Lilo, a lonely girl facing family struggles who adopts an unusual dog named Stitch.
No, dogs on the table.
You sure that's a dog?
Yeah.
Rough.
Little does she know, Stitch is actually an alien fugitive with incredible powers. As Lilo and Stitch form an unbreakable bond, they must overcome challenges from both Earth and space.
Stitch bad.
Sometimes family isn't perfect. That doesn't mean they aren't good. That's close. I don't think you're supposed to drink that.
With stunning visuals, touching moments, and plenty of Elvis tunes, this reimagining brings the beloved animated classic to life in a whole new way.
No, wait!
Perfect for the whole family, Lilo and Stitch reminds us that Ohana means family, and family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. Lilo and Stitch opens nationwide on Friday, May 23rd, so buy your tickets now because this fan favorite is sure to sell out fast.
When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gets out of warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's on.
Hey viewers, this week is really something special. Teacher Appreciation Week.
Yeah, totally. Our teachers do so much for us.
Yeah, Miss Bill, way more than sure.
They're just like educational superheroes, without capes.
Westminster High teachers aren't just educated. They're the MVPs who make us who we're meant to be.
Thank you, teachers!
Time out.
And that's it for today, and the last Wolf TV of 2024 to 2025 school year. Thanks for watching. I'm Yair.
And I'm Brianja. From all of us in Period A Audio Video Production 1 class, we hope you all have an amazing summer break. Bye!